Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs, Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying George Kurian visited southwest Garo Hills to assess the progress of various developmental schemes. During his visit, he held a meeting with district officials at the DRDA Conference Hall, Ampati, discussing the implementation of flagship programs under the central government's Act East policy. The minister inspected the Belbari PHC and Monabari Angatwadi Centre, engaging with staff and beneficiaries. He also met with self-help groups at the Talbari Village organization, commending their innovative use of water hyacinth plants.
But it does not reach the people. That means our GDP increased, but it should reach the people. The per capita income of the people should increase. That is the way we are acting now. Each and every Indian citizen should get the benefit of the fifth economic power. That is for that we should increase the income of the people.
The Union Minister of Tourism, Gajendra